Now, can I speak to Robert, please?
Yeah, this is Robert.
Hi, Robert. This is Julia Monk calling you back.
Yeah.
If you want a full 30 minutes, we'll have to book it in tomorrow. But I looked at your email, and what I can say to you is ultimately it's at the MPP's discretion at this point based on what you forwarded.
MPP discretion?
Like, they don't have to contact if they've already contacted the ombudsperson on your behalf, have they?
No.
So they're getting advice from the Integrity Commission that the ombudsperson could technically, they can't direct the...
Yeah, I know they can't. They can't tell them what to do, but they can bring it up in the legislature if what they did is wrong.
They could. I mean, they could bring it up in the legislature.
But they should write to them first for an explanation. Explain to them how they're wrong and see what they say.
According to what you sent, they already provided an explanation of their reasoning. Is that not the case?
Who, the Ombudsman's office?
Yeah.
Yeah, but their reasoning is wrong. Because Section 4 of the Ombudsman's Act says they can investigate any decision or recommendation of the SIU.
So what I think they're trying to imply to you when they said to contact a lawyer is that you can retain a lawyer to file a complaint against the Ombudsman's office.
I don't want to do that.
But the MPP is not going to take it any further than she has already.
No, they haven't said that. They said they need a lawyer to say they can write to the Ombudsman's office. They're not saying they're not going to contact them. They're just saying that the Integrity Commissioner says they can. But when I ask, can they, if the decision of the Ombudsman's office is wrong and reversible, the Integrity Commissioner wouldn't respond to that question. So why would they not respond if the answer is no, they can't? So the answer must be yes. But my MPP's office is trying to give me the runaround. So they're saying they need you to get a lawyer to say they can.
I mean, ultimately what I can say is that they can contact the Integrity, if I were providing advice to your MPP's office, I would push the Integrity office to respond to their question.
Yeah, but they can't make him respond, though. How would they make him respond? He's not responding to their emails either.
Well, I mean, no lawyer can give you a definitive answer to say that the Integrity Commission is a commission that interprets law, right?
Yeah.
And your MPP is hesitant to contact the ombudsperson without the okay of the Integrity Commission. So there's not going to be a lawyer out there that can guarantee to your MPP that the Integrity Commission is going to interpret the law one way or the other. That's a subjective interpretation at this point.
Yeah, but if you Google responsibilities of MPPs, it says they have to help their constituents with problems with Ontario government agencies. So
absolutely, I'm not saying that they don't.
If they don't, and they don't have a legitimate reason for it, and that's obstruction of justice.
Well, I mean, the only option you have at that point is to contact your MPP.
Yeah, I know. They want me to get a lawyer to say they can, though. All I need the lawyer to say is that because there's a rule that says they have to, then they must. Then they can help you. That's all I need the lawyer to say.
They want you to get a lawyer to tell them. They mean that they want you to retain a lawyer.
Yeah,
to write them a letter.
No. The lawyer can just say to me that your MPP can contact the Ombudsman's office if their decision in your case is wrong and the decision is reversible. That's all I need the lawyer to say. And clearly they can, because it's the job of the opposition to hold the government's feet to the fire. So if your MPP can't contact an Ontario government agency, even if their decision is wrong and reversible, then what do they do all day? Just sit around twiddling their thumbs?
That I can't really speak to. That's more of a political matter than a legal matter.
Yeah.
What I can say is that theoretically your MPP could contact, your MPP would have to take the position that the reasoning of the ombudsperson was wrong and reversible, and they can contact them to say that based on the decision that the reasoning that they provided you, so long as that is the position that they're taking.
Yeah. Okay. If I give the lawyer money, can he put that in an email, and I can forward it to my MPP? Or if he doesn't want to do that.
I am a lawyer, so you're speaking to a lawyer.
Could you put it in an email then?
I mean, you want me? I guess what I would want is an email from, like, some sort of letter from your MPP, like asking a specific legal question. Because the problem is what you're asking me to say, it's not a clear legal question you're asking me to answer. But yes, I do provide legal opinions.
Okay, so I'll contact my MPP then and ask them.
Yeah, so if you go back to your MPP and say, I can retain a lawyer to draft a legal opinion, I just need clarity on what that legal opinion is, and then you can give me a call back and we can talk about that. I can provide you with a legal opinion.
Okay, all right. What's your name again?
My name is Julia Monk.
Okay. All right, thanks.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Take care.